बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. So viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft video signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and beautiful DIY old denim jeans recycling wreath ideas. These for your home decor, stunning and very beautiful handmade wreath ideas for you guys. These wreath designs are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique. So viewers, you guys must make these denim jeans wreath design at your homes. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath designs. These are very stunning, very amazing and very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. You guys also watch amazing and unique craft videos on my channel, like sewing craft, budget friendly DIY denim jeans craft, button craft and so on. Hope so guys you all are doing well, and you guys must subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. And you guys must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super stunning, these are very pretty, these are very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas. Always take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys. Take care.